So the car is back from the circuit, and one thing we experienced was way too much squidge, roll and movement in the suspension. We're going to change that with some Powerflex bushes. Sam's going to get on with this. Wait to the end of the video, he's going to give it a really nice bit of insight about Powerflex themselves and also what they're going to be doing with this car. So stay tuned.
So back for another Carbonwurks product spotlight, this time Powerflex bushes, Powerflex UK, established in 1996, so almost 30 years in industry. They're one of the top, most well-known brands out there for solid, well, uprated, should I say, bush replacement. So this is all polyurethane. They offer over 50 manufacturers worth of cars in their listings, so lots of options out there. As you can see, we've got quite a few on the side here. This is all for our Project JCW Mini, so I'm going to have my work cut out for me getting this lot into the car. These guys make some great products. We've used them in the past. I think again we had some on our Project Clio track race car. Would delete as appropriate on that one, but she was quick. So yeah, they are made out of varying grades of polyurethane with stainless steel inserts. They feature a lifetime warranty, which is great for all of the applications we could want them. Behind me I've got some examples of what their range includes. You've got some red ones here, which are generally used for diesel engine mounts or exhaust rubbers, exhaust hangers. So that's the softest of their range. This is the red ones there. You've got the yellow here, which is from this selection of mini parts here. That's actually an engine mount insert as well. So that is their lower end. So again, because we don't want too much harshness and vibration in the cabin of the car, that's what we'll stick with. So it will pull out any forward or backward movement from the engine mount itself and reduce that and limit that without transmitting too much vibration into the car, so keeping it more comfortable for road use. In the middle here would be, or the most common use is their purple bush, which would be their road series bush. We are waiting for a lower dog bone mount to come in that colour, so that is the most user-friendly bush. It offers a bit more stiffness over factory. A lifetime fit obviously, so if it's a common bush that wears out quite a lot, it's worth chucking in a purple Powerflex so that you never have to do it again. That's going to go in our lower dog bone, so again stiffen up the engine stabilisation further still. That one doesn't transmit quite as much vibration into the cabin, so we can afford to go a little bit harder there, and again keep the engine movement down to a minimum. And lastly, we've got the black series here, which is the hardest of the range. So quite stiff. These are going to go into all of our suspension and steering joint locations. Again, to offer the greatest amount of precision, the least amount of deflection, so reduce the amount of change in the geometry and alignment mid-turn when we're absolutely pushing it to the limits around Brands Hatch. So that's what we're going to be using, the black series. This is an example bush here, which has got the stainless steel insert that I mentioned. So plenty of those to get fitted in this car. We'll show you some B-roll of that going on. It's also worth mentioning they feature a heritage series, which is for older or classic vehicles. So again, it allows you to do an uprated bush, but with a more classic original heritage finish. So that about covers the Powerflex brand, but we're really looking forward to getting these on the car, testing them out on the road and the track, and giving you guys some feedback. So stay tuned. We'll see you later on.